The biggest benefit of installing SpeedSet Plus doorsets over more traditional methods is you don't need to be a trained joiner. It only takes about 20 minutes to install, not the hour or more of the traditional method. You only need a screwdriver, drill, level and grab adhesive, not a van load of expensive gear, and you get everything you need, including instructions and fixings. No hammering, chiseling or planing. With SpeedSet, just check the size of the opening against the size of the doorset and you can begin. Following the simple instructions, attach the steel brackets. The door is pre-hung with CE marked latch and adjustable hinges. Then attach the plastic brackets. Just a few minutes in and already the doorset is in place, while you'd still be working on assembling the frame if you were using the traditional method. A few minor adjustments may be needed to achieve a perfect fit, but these are easy to make using the screws and brackets holding the lining in place. A quick check that the frame is plumb and continue fixing the brackets to the wall. SpeedSet Plus offers the benefit of a plus or minus 10mm adjustment to allow for variations in wall thickness. Simply check the depth of the lining against the wall and adjust as required. Once adjusted, secure the doorset by folding and fixing the plastic brackets. Meanwhile, the skilled techniques of the joiner continue on the labour-intensive traditional installation. The frame has to be measured, marked and stops fitted. The door has to be prepared for the hinges and latch. Then the door frame has to be measured and chiselled out for the hinges. Once in position, then the door frame has to be marked and chiselled out for the door keep. Before the architrave has to be measured, sawn, positioned and pinned in place. With SpeedSet, the pre-mitered architrave is easy to assemble and install. Simply join the pieces using the butterfly clips supplied, and having added grab adhesive to the wall, secure the architrave and repeat on the reverse. Once complete, the benefits of SpeedSet Plus are clear. Approximately 20 minutes to install, simple adjustments and a minimum of kit to deliver consistent quality. Or the traditional option, around an hour and 20 minutes of time-served skilled joinery. The choice is yours. Available in a range of styles for any project. For speed, economy and quality, there is nothing that compares to the SpeedSet Plus doorset from Premdor.